When looking at a battery, it is common to think that they're all the same. They're just a box that produces energy, right? Not exactly. In today's training, we'll be taking a closer look at pure lead batteries. We'll cover the basics of how our battery works, explore what makes C&D's pure lead solutions different, and what it means for your backup system. If you were to look inside of a battery, you will notice that there are many plates linked together. They are the source of energy for that battery. The higher the plate count, the more power the battery would have. The bigger the plate area, the more power the battery would have. A plate is made up of two very important parts that must work together despite playing a different role. These parts are called the grid and the paste. And when put together, guess what? You have a plate. As you use the battery, these two parts will start to age in a different way. The grid, which is responsible for guiding the energy, will corrode. If you have a lot of corrosion, it will no longer be able to transfer the energy properly. The paste, which is responsible for creating the energy, will start to dry out and fail to produce the battery's published power. Reducing grid corrosion and preventing paste dryouts are key areas of improvements that every battery manufacturer will look for. While we all try to achieve the same results, there's no standard way of making a pure lead battery. So now, let's look at what makes C&D's pure lead batteries so unique. Our pure lead solutions are a unique approach that combines key improvements to every aspect of the battery. No area was left untouched here. Our grids are made with a proprietary chemistry that gives you the purity needed to prevent corrosion and the strength needed to increase efficiency. Our paste is made with high purity materials and improved manufacturing process, giving it more power, longer life, better temperature tolerance, and making it safer at short run times. So what does that mean for your system? It means that you have 3 pure lead options to choose from depending on your need. All C&D pure lead batteries would have up to 24 months of storage before needing any boost charge, as long as they're well maintained, and able to safely support runtimes as low as 1 minute in UPS applications. For telecom applications where a longer duration and extreme temperature tolerance is required, we have the TEL-HT with a standard 6-year warranty. For UPS applications where you need high power and short duration, we offer the Pure Lead Plus and the Pure Lead Max. Our entry-level model, the Pure Lead Plus, comes with a standard 5-year warranty and is the perfect battery for replacements where the UPS system's life is closer to 10 years. Our Pure Lead Max comes with a standard 8-year warranty and is the perfect battery for new builds or your first changeouts. Anywhere you go, you can be sure your batteries will perform and have been developed by one of the leaders in the industry and with over 100 years of experience in making stationary batteries. If you'd like more information or have any questions, please reach out. We look forward to hearing from you.